Hi everyone, my name is Jeff Hicks, and welcome to my course Installing and Running PowerShell. I'm a veteran IT pro and longtime PowerShell author, teacher, and mentor. I'm excited to tell you all about my latest project for Pluralsight. This course is designed to introduce you to the world of PowerShell and to get you started off on the right foot. Specifically, this course is targeted towards PowerShell 7 and later running on Windows. I'm assuming you're completely new to PowerShell and are just beginning your PowerShell education. Although you might be someone with a little Windows PowerShell experience curious about PowerShell 7, this course could work for you as well. In this course, you'll learn how to install and begin using PowerShell 7 on Windows. First, you'll explore what exactly is PowerShell and why it should matter to you. Next, you'll learn how to install it on a Windows 10 desktop. Finally, you'll learn how to begin using PowerShell and run basic commands. By the end of the course, you should be able to understand the role of PowerShell, understand command terminology such as commandlet versus function, install PowerShell, run PowerShell interactively, customize a PowerShell console in Windows, navigate a PowerShell console, and much more. When you're finished with the course, you'll have the skills and knowledge of PowerShell 7 necessary to begin learning about how PowerShell works and how to use it in your daily work.